Hi guys, it's Fanny. Welcome back to the YouTube by Fabi. Today I have another beautiful centerpiece for Christmas using upcycle items and also dollar store items. So let's get started. I'm going to be using these empty bags for candles and also these candle jars for another candles. Some wine paint and also some ribbon and some hot glue. So first what I did was just remove the insert of the bag, and then I just cut the top of the bags, as you can see. So then what I did was just measure the inside because I don't want to cover the entire insert. So what I did was just measure 2 inches down, and then I cut it, as you can see. So next, when I done cutting the bags, I just flip it over and then I use the hot glue and put it back again, just like so. Next, I use the part that we cut it on the top of the bags, and then I glue it on the bottom just to reinforce the bottom of my base, as you can see. Then I'm going to be using the white Wayberry paint from Walmart, and then I give it 2 coats, and because I don't want to show any color at all. And now I'm going to be placing back the insert on. All I did was just adding some hot glue to keep it in place. So then I was trying to decide if you use nautical rope or just some border ribbon. So at the end I go forward with the border ribbon, and then I will be placing it around the bags, as you can see. So when I was finished with the ribbon, I made sure that I fold the little part at the end to give you a good finished look, as you can see. So then I'm going to be working with the decoration. So what I did was use some berries from dollar store, but you can purchase it from Walmart. They also have beautiful and another Christmas tree pick. So then what I did was just cut the entire berries, and then I'm going to be placing it around of the box, as you can see. And so now I have the stems and the leaves, so I'm going to be placing the leaves all over the box. I also have some pine cones and also some cotton flowers, and I'm going to be placing on it, as you can see. So then I had leftover stems from the berries, so I decided to do something with. So what I did, I just grabbed something rounder, can be a pencil, can be anything you have rounder, and then twist it around, as you can see, and create those beautiful things. Just like so. And now that's my favorite part. I put it back the candle jars, and then I just added those little picks that I just make, and then you can decorate it however you want. You can use any candle you want. You can even place it back and then use it as a base. And then at the end I decided to use a little bit of twine. I just show it with one to not make the video too long. And then I decided to add some string lights from dollar store as well, and then inside of the jars, and I think it came out beautiful, and I'm in love with the result of this centerpiece. I really hope you guys enjoy as well, and thank you so much for watching and for your continued support. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the red button and be part of this awesome family. So see you guys next time. Ciao ciao.